Very good. My name is Anju. I'm from Navi Mumbai.
Okay. So my name is Rakesh and I am from Ahmedabad.
Okay. And what do you do, Rakesh?
I work in chemical company as environmental executive.
Oh, that's nice. Since how long have you been working?
In current organization, I have been working for 8 months.
Okay,
Eight
that's
months.
nice.
Hmm.
So tell me, Rakesh, what are the difficulties, challenges you are facing with English language?
I have problem with the vocabulary. Sometimes I get stuck due to lack of vocabulary. Otherwise, I'm comfortable with the grammar and all those things.
Okay, all right. So when you say you get stuck, do you don't understand where to use a particular word, or the sentence that you're framing, you're not sure whether you are framing the correct sentence or not?
No. No, I am like a confident guy with the sentence. I'm confident that I need to make this kind of sentence, and I can frame the sentence. But sometime, somehow or sometime, it happens to me that I don't get correct word. Correct word means as I need to use at a particular situation to define particular situation. I need a correct word or like a particular word. So at that time I feel stuck. Otherwise, I can use any other word as well, any similar or another word. So
Mm.
it's like I can at least use, but I sometimes it it happens that I don't get right word at right time.
Okay. Then what do you do when you don't get the exact word?
I just try to frame the sentence differently so that I automatically get another new word. So I just do it, and also I just speak as much as I can. So apart from using Clapingo, I also use as fluency app. So on this I get like a different kind of co-learners. So I just talk with them. I talk to them. Mhm.
Okay. That is a good way to use synonyms if you forget a particular word so that you don't get stuck. So you can always use
Mhm.
a synonym. That is a very good activity that you can do.
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
So tell me, do you also go through the study material, the session notes that we keep sending you?
Sorry, just repeat. Please repeat.
Do you go through the study material we keep sending you?
No, ma'am, I didn't go with the document session. We can just talk on random topic. Yes.
What topic do you
We'll
want to
discuss.
discuss? Do you have
Any
any
kind
topic?
as you suggest me, or anything like if it is okay for me to discuss about a topic, session topic which has been given. So I will be okay with that. I will be comfortable with that.
Okay. So,
But it should be like a two-way conversation. As I give my opinion, you will also share your opinion. So it will be comfortable for me to discuss the topic. Because sometimes what happens, just the speakers ask the question. At that time,
hmm,
it becomes monotonous and
monotonous. Yes.
yeah, monotonous or boring. So it should not be done.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. See, I have two topics for you. You can pick any one and let me know which one you are comfortable with. Okay.
Mm,
I am okay with both the topics.
mm,
So the first is social media boon or a bane,
mm, mm,
and the second one is should computers uh, be installed in all the schools? Should computers
mm.
replace all the teachers?
Computer replace
All the teachers
all the teachers.
in the school and colleges.
It means computer replace all the teachers,
Yes.
so that
So in place
computer
of,
will only teach to the
yes.
student. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just let's discuss one by one. What I am comfortable with the what topic.
Okay. So we'll start with social media, boon or a bane.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. I think social media is a bone. Bone, bone. I can say means as before. It is a medium that we get connected with each other. People get connected with each other. So I think for me, if I put my opinion, it is a bone for sure. Like
Mm.
in within a second, we get connected. We can talk about any important topic. We can converse at least, and we can communicate about any any important topic. So I would say overall, it is like a medium of sharing information. So that is
Mm.
why it is a boon. And nowadays, people are so many platforms are there. So we get connected for for learning or for teaching purpose. So it has become a boon. But somehow, as we get addicted of using it, so it becomes like a curse. Curse means like anything which is in a uh, advanced more, well, not advanced, but uh, means more, which is in more level, or how can I say?
Anything which is in excess,
Yeah, excess of
done in
anything,
excessive manner, done in an
excessive manner or
excessive
excess.
manner,
Yeah, excess of anything is un-
not good.
not good. Yes.
Mm.
Hmm.
All
So
right. So how do we decide, Rakesh, that how much time should one spend on these social media
hmm.
applications? So how do
How
we
should
decide? How do we
how do we
decide?
decide?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we are not, we have to understand our important tasks. Whatever we just need throughout day, whatever we have to do, just we can make to-do list. So on the base of that, we will be able to understand that. And as we the important task gets completed, we can just take mark that. And apart from that, as we have to use this because it is also some important task also there that we use in on social media, so we can do
Hmm.
it. And if it is for just entertainment purpose like Facebook and other things, Instagram, so
Hmm.
for 10 to 15 minutes, it is okay. And if we have to get information through YouTube and uh, from other platforms, so
Hmm.
it is okay to use it. We can put the alarm, and then we will be able to understand it, and we can also put the reminder, so
Hmm.
we will at least understand that for 30 minutes I used it, and I got that much information. So now
Hmm.
I have to stop it, and then I will be using it uh, at next day. So that is
Okay.
how
So
we
you
should
think that will work?
definitely, if we limit to us, so definitely it will work.
Okay.
Hmm.
So there
Because
are so many things on
it
social
depends on our
media.
subconscious mind. It
Yes,
depends
correct.
on our subconscious mind. So we
Hmm.
have to train our subconscious mind to use different kind of things.
Wisely.
Hmm.
Hmm. To use these applications wisely.
Hmm.
So tell me,
Wisely.
Rakesh, there is so many things, there is so many applications on social media. Uh,
Hmm.
how do we categorize which is more important and which is
Hmm.
less important? Because we see a lot of children, they are very confused and they keep browsing on almost all the applications
Hmm.
without,
Yes, yes, yes.
you know, and they keep wasting their time without realizing that they are wasting their time. How do we
Hmm.
monitor them and how do we instruct them that what is important? They should only focus on that.
Hmm. if I talk about children, because they are not that much mature that they need to stop that things. They just use it for just entertainment purpose. They don't understand the it is useful for communication and for the sharing information. So just they watch video and just for the entertainment purpose they just use it. So we can just remind them externally that it is if you are using it excessive manner, it would be harmful for them. So we have to make them understand so that they should not use it in an excessive manner. So that is the only way, I think. If we remind them, like if they are children, so if they are using their parents mobile, so their parents should at least remind them that like you are using their Android mobile phones for 30 minutes for 1 hour, and it should not be good for them and for their health as well. So they should at least make them understand. So they at least try to be in confined with 30 to 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm.
And do you think that they should also be uh, kept away from these electronic gadgets?
Kept away means they are just allowed if there is important task, like there are so many institute, if they are taking coaching, or if there is anything important reason why they are going to use, so it is okay. But for just entertainment purpose, they should not be allowed to use it for more than 1 hour or more than hour 1 hour. Yes.
Mhm. Like they should be given these gadgets only if they require it, and otherwise, no.
Yes, yes. For children, it is like for the important reason, and for uh, for a very, if it is like there is very important reason or crucial reason, like for study, so they should be allowed. Otherwise, they should not be allowed. Mm.
Okay. And there are many schools that encourage children, say for example international schools, they encourage most of the children to carry these gadgets, and they teach them with with the help of these gadgets. Do you think that should uh, be banned?
Actually, ma'am, I don't have idea if they allow their student to get that kind of like gadget to in the school. I think I don't know uh, uh, if there is I think after 10th or in college they are allowed, but till 10th they should not be allowed. They can learn through that like a projector or computer which actually present in the school. So they can means computer is a good medium. Computer they learn as a subject, as we were taught as a subject computer. So they should means learn it through the school. They should not be allowed to pick that kind of gadget to school and from like a mobile or like
Mm.
a uh, it means mobile, like that kind of gadget should be used there.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
All right, fair enough. Yes, even
Mm.
I believe the same. So,
Mm.
yes, Rakesh, see, your language is absolutely fine,
Mm.
and you can easily convey the message, whatever you think of. You can easily articulate the messages, and you
Mm.
can speak. Now, the only thing you have to do is you have to add new words.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah, like there were
Okay.
twice it happened that you were getting stuck.
Mm.
So keep practicing. We also keep sending you vocabulary words in your in your study material.
Mm.
Go through those words. Try and frame sentences with those words. And
Mm.
anytime if you are confused or if you don't know where to use which word, you can
Mm.
always ask us during the session.
Yes, definitely I will
Okay.
ask. and that is the only problem which I face. Otherwise,
Yes, even
I'm
I felt.
comfortable.
Yes,
Hmm.
even I felt that is the only problem. So, if you find any problems while framing sentences with certain particular words, you can always ask us during the session. We will guide
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.
Definitely, I will. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I think we have time, or just it is going to be disconnected.
2 minutes we have.
Okay, so you can share also. Hello.
Yes, yes. I'm your only.
Mm-hmm.
Do you
Is
want
there
to ask
any?
something?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask if I want to improve my vocabulary. So I got many ideas, like I need to read. So when I read, I just get new words. So is there any idea of like using or remembering all those words, or framing the or using
Once,
those words in the conversation?
yeah, when you
Like
come
I know
across a new
reading,
word,
listening helpful, but how
yes,
to use those words?
when you come across a new word, you have
Mm-hmm.
to note down that word and you have to know the meaning of that word in your mother tongue so
Okay.
that you know what exactly is the word and where in which situation you can use it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then try and frame sentences with that word.
Mm-hmm.
When you have framed a sentence with that word, try to use that sentence in your conversation. And
Okay.
you cannot learn it. Obviously, if you try to learn it, Rakesh, the other day you will forget it. So
Forget it. Yeah.
after every 3 days, you will have to re-revise it.
Uh, read. Read and revision is
Re-revise.
also
Yes.
advised.
After,
Yeah.
yes, after two to
Revision is
three
also
days,
important.
yes, revise it till it gets stuck in your mind. And one
Mm.
fine day, you will realize when you are talking, it will automatically come to your mind.
Okay. Okay. Definitely
Okay,
I will.
so
Thank you.
that is the simplest thing you can do. And
Mm.
if you try to learn, obviously you will forget. So don't try to learn. Keep
Yeah. Yeah.
re-revising it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Anything
ma'am. Thank
else,
you.
my dear?
No, ma'am. I don't.